What's the meaning of Blackburn? Blackburn. Blackburn.
Blackburn. Blackburn. Blackburn is a town located in Lancashire, England. The name Blackburn can be traced back to the Old English words Blaek and Burna, which mean black stream. This likely refers to the color of the peat-stained water in the local river. Blackburn has a rich history, having been a center of textiles during the Industrial Revolution. The town is known for its impressive architecture, including the Blackburn Cathedral and the Town Hall. Today, Blackburn is a vibrant and diverse community with many cultural attractions and events throughout the year, such as the Blackburn International Music Festival.